Let me ask you about China, because that has been a big topic of discussion here. People are expecting China to slow down, becoming an overhang a bit. How is that impacting your business?
Yeah, I keep hearing this China slowdown. I guess it's going on like 8 or 10 years in a row now.
Yeah. 6% growth.
And what people realize is, 6% growth, you're minting new countries every year. So I have no doubt that the growth rate is probably slowing down. But our China business is the fastest growing in the world. So we think very strongly that the #1 economy in the world, the U.S. economy, and the #2 economy in the world, the China economy, coming together in a highly collaborative way is good for the world, and it's good for the world economy.
Do you think we're going to see a China deal between the U.S. and China?
I'm hopeful.
Sooner?
I'm hopeful, and actually I'm quite optimistic. I think both sides realize there's a wonderful opportunity to create value and a balanced playing field and serve customers in ways that are highly compelling and also profitable. So I think there's a deal there because it's good for business.
How does the news of the day impact things? I mean, you look at the markets. Markets are up today. Yeah. And obviously January has had a better tone than the end of 2018. Yeah. But are markets telling us something in terms of this volatility and this downdraft?
Well, markets like certainty. Stock markets like to know things are solid. And any time there's uncertainty, whether it's Brexit or it's the China situation.
Or the government shutdown.
Or the government shutdown.
The president now is pushing off the State of the Union address. Nancy Pelosi basically saying, don't come to the House chambers.
Right. These are all uncertainties. But we live in an uncertain world. And if it's not this set of uncertainties, there'll be others. What we try to do, and this is what's special about the SAP software, we configure the software based upon these regulatory and governance changes. That's why in tough times we're highly resilient, because you're still going to need to modify the way you do your work. In good times we're even more resilient because now we're going for growth. So in all cases the SAP platform is helping companies run better.
Has the shutdown impacted your business in any way, the government shutdown?
No, it hasn't. It hasn't yet. But, we obviously recognize that, the psychology of optimism can't possibly be overstated in its importance. So we like to see optimism. We like to see positivity. So we're hopeful that it gets back in action real soon.
I know you wrote a blog post for the World Economic Forum saying that it's time to rebuild trust.
Yeah.
What are you messaging? What are you trying to say?
Well, we surveyed with Qualtrics and SAP along with the World Economic Forum here. We surveyed 10,000 individuals on a random sample in 29 different countries. And we asked them a couple of questions. One question was, what are you really worried about out there? Most humans said we're worried about being replaced by robots, which is really interesting. We said, is tech for good or tech for bad? What's happening in your world and your perception of technology? They said, well, a little bit better than negative, but somewhat ambivalent. That's a concern. And they said that they're basically trusting the people that run their companies even more than the people that run governments. So there's a trust deficit out there.
Right. And we're going to talk about that coming up.
And it's really important that we close that trust deficit at the leadership level, but also it's important that companies get the human experience going with their own employees and their customers. And that's why I think this experience management positioning for SAP is going to fundamentally be a moment in time on your show today, Maria, where the enterprise has been redefined by SAP. I give you my word on that. A year from now, let's talk about that.
We will. Qualtrics, congratulations on the deal.
Thank you very much,
Thank you so much. Bill McDermott joining us, CEO
Great pleasure.
at SAP.